and analyze the market and define the best moment for entering or exiting an operation. This is part of a trader's day. Let's see how it works. Now I have to bring you a small extra to this class, something that was left behind. Some hours ago, I've purchased some classic Ethereum at $30.70. And I could already perceive price raise in just a few hours. So it climbed up to $31.45. So now I'll be selling this same 5 Ethereum Classic. Their price just went up $1.45. So I even have the purchase order here. So if I had bought more, if I had bought a lot of them, an even bigger profit. But because I didn't buy so many, my profit was not so big. Take a look at the price this very moment and look at the price we paid when we bought it. Our order is down here. So we bought it at 0.00278517. So we'll be selling it right now. So we'll be selling at 0.00284393. So let's sell our 5 Ethereum Classic and let's see the profit we can get out of this. So we're going to sell it right now in real time. So the 5 Ethereum Classic were sold. Let's take a look at our profit and loss balance to see our profit. So let's apply a filter, ETC. Let's click on Analyze. So let's apply a filter, ETC. Let's click on Analyze. So let's just look at today's. So we have here our purchase and our sell. I'm going to click on the last purchase and the last sell. So we purchased 5 units and we sold 5 units. So these other 10 here are part of another purchase I've made that are still open. So we bought 5 and sold 5. Take a look at our profit here. So take a look at this number here, 0.00025840 BTC. So this is what being a trader is all about. As simple as this. We buy the currency and we sell the currency. So we buy it when the price is undervalued and we sell it when it has reached a higher value. Or even sometimes we sell the currency when the prices are going down and we buy it again when the price has gone even lower so we can try to achieve some profit. You've purchased when the currency was $50, you sell it at 48 or even 45 because you see that the price is going down, but it will continue to drop. So let's say, for example, it's reached $30. So when it starts going up back to 40, you can profit from that. So this is being a trader. So you saw it here in the real world, something that has already shown profit in just a few hours. So for example, if I had purchased 1,000 Ethereum Classic, so I have it on my wallet here, 1,000 Ethereum Classic. I purchased them for very few dollars. It was something around like $12. So I'm not interested in selling them right now. Maybe 1 year or 2 years from now, this currencies will be much more valuable. This is being a trader, buying and selling at the right time.